Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Taylor Swift recreation video. I'm going to be creating one of the looks from her very popular new video called Me. So we're going to be doing the makeup plus the hair. So just sit back and I hope you enjoy this video and let's just get started. The product we're going to be using is this Fenty primer. This is going to help just smooth out your pores and also just give a really nice base for your makeup. We're also going to be using the matching eye primer to go with it. This is going to help the eyeshadow adhere to your eyelids. Next, we're going to be using this beautiful base from Merle Norman Cosmetics. This is not talked about enough. This is an 80-year-old company, and this is the very first makeup that she ever created. Next, my favorite face powder by DHC. Rubbing the puff together, one of Kim Kardashian's makeup artist tricks, and then just patting it over the skin. This is going to help the makeup just melt all together. Next, Benefit Bronzer. We're going to be using this as an eyeshadow. So what we're going to do is just do the outer corner and a little bit up into the crease. Don't go all the way to the inner corner because we're going to apply a lighter eyeshadow there. So just do that crease and then just the corner and then go toward the middle and also under the eyelashes. Do that on the other side and we're almost done. Next, take a white eyeshadow and we're going to apply it from the inner corner all the way to the middle part, just blending those two eyeshadows together and also to the brow bone. Take your favorite black eyeliner and make a wing, just tight lining as close to the eyelash as possible and winging it out at the end. Also tight lining it. And also you want to do the bottom one as well, but just from like the corner of your eye to about the middle part. This will keep your eyes from looking smaller. Next, eyebrows. I like this e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, just drawing in my eyebrows where needed. And then I'm going to take this eyelash primer actually and just run it through my eyebrows just to keep them in place. You can also use hair gel and hairspray or anything like that. Next, I'm going to use the Benefit Bronzer again and carve out my cheekbones. Now blush. I like this one from Tarte Cosmetics. I'm just going to load it up on the brush and apply it to my cheeks. A little bit everywhere. A little more blush couldn't hurt anyone. Grab a pink or a nude lip pencil and line your lips. It's better if you use a pink, but I didn't have one, so I just use this nude one. Either one will work just fine. Just line your lips and just your normal lip shape, and then apply a pink lipstick. This is going to have all the Taylor Swift vibes you want. I love Revlon. It's my favorite lipstick company. And just get this really pink one and just apply it all over your lips. It's really cheap. They're like $4 or $5, so can't go wrong with these ones. Next, the hair. You want to take a comb and just part your hair on whichever side you feel more comfortable with. Next, take two pieces from the front. I'm doing this because my hair is so thick. I just have so much hair, so what I'm going to be doing here is using these hot sticks, and these are just curlers that have been around since like the 80s, and I'm going to curl the back of my hair with these and the front of my hair with a curling iron because I have just so much hair, and honestly I don't want to curl all my hair with a curling iron. Just lazy, that's all there is to it. So what I'm doing here is just twisting my hair, and this will help the curls be more modern. If you don't twist it and you use these hot sticks, it's going to become more like ringlets. If you twist it, they'll become more like just like, you know, modern curls. So just twist it up and just roll up all the way to your head. I'm just taking like about 2-inch pieces and rolling all the back. If you're not going to use these, just use a curling iron. If you want longer hair or, like thicker hair like this, and you want this kind of effect, just use hair extensions. Okay, now we're going to use this Conair curling iron, and I'm going to curl under. This is really important, you want to curl your hair all the same way because we're going to make finger waves. So just curling this under all the way up to my head, holding it, and then just kind of taking it out. However you do that. My hair kept getting stuck, so I don't know what's going on here. Next, we're going to make these old-fashioned curls like Grandma did. Just roll it up and clip it in. This is going to help us make finger waves, and it's the 1940s effect, so or early 1900s. So we're going to be doing this all over. Just remember, curl it the same way every time. Aveda hairspray, my favorite hairspray in the world. We're going to be using that. Spray it really, really good where you did like the finger curls, and let it dry. Then just take out the back. If you did use hot sticks, you take out all the back part, and then we'll finish up with the front. Alright, so we're done with the back. See how curly that is? These are really nice curlers. I really do like them a lot for just a quick and easy way. Now, after these have all dried, just take them out. And you can also, if you want a faster way, you can hairspray these curls and then blow dry them. That's really effective as well. So just take these out, and you see they have nice, bouncy, just very girly curls. So I'm just taking out this last one, and then we're going to start to make our finger waves. I didn't really get a whole lot of curve on the top of my head like I wanted. So what I'm going to do is mock a finger wave. You just take a little piece, like a straight line, and push up. So finger waves are just like bumps that go all the way down the side of your head. See how, like, you can see the curve of the curl there? I should have used a smaller curling iron, but I didn't, so we're just going to make do with what we have. Just find the curve of the curl and push up, and then just lock it in with a hair clip. So you want to do it all the way down, like even toward the bottom of your ear, and then just spray the heck out of it. I mean, just spray it really good. So here I saw another curve, so I'm going to just pin that where it was, and then hairspray it again. Again, I saw another curve in the curls, and I'm just going to clip it and hairspray it again. Okay, now we're going to use a blow dryer to really lock in those finger waves and really give this a nice Taylor Swift from her video, the old, I think it was 1940s look. So now that we've blow dried it, we're just going to take the clips out and see how you have those curves in there. My hair is a little bit heavy, so it was a bit hard. It's my first time, but I think it turned out pretty good. So just continue taking those out, and then you just want to spray it again. Add some pink earrings, and you are ready to sing your Taylor Swift song. I can't actually sing the song in this video or put it because I will get copyrighted, so just let's pretend, okay? And let's just sing the song anyway. So here I am singing the rendition of me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thanks for all your support. We'll see you next time. You have a beautiful day.